In the past, it was completely normal to have a mind-blowingly complex signature, like John Hancock's. John Hancock's signature is an iconic example of the impact a handwritten signature can have on a document. And though your own signature may not be as large or detailed as John Hancock's, it still represents a complex and creative artwork that showcases your individuality. The thing is that, in the past, complexity symbolized importance. Your signature needed to be unique because it was the only means of ensuring authenticity. Thankfully, we can now ensure authenticity in a much simpler way. You may still come across complex handwritten signatures today, but in many cases, they've been replaced by a more secure and convenient electronic signature. eSignatures deliver a more reliable and secure way to certify documents since they are easier to track, harder to forge, and allow you to close deals fast. Electronic signatures are convenient, accurate, and legally binding, making them the ideal choice for individuals and businesses of all sizes. It no longer matters whether your autograph looks like this or this. Modern-day electronic signature platforms are in charge of maintaining document security on your behalf and helping you eliminate the risks associated with handwritten signatures. Learn more at SignNow.com.